Hi, it's Nan. I worried that any program would push me too hard, but I soon found that small, gentle changes were the key to a powerful, lasting transformation. It's like climbing a ladder, one step at a time. You don't have to jump to the top. Each small step builds your way up. As Tolkien said, little by little, one travels far. My coaching is spaced to match you. Together, we make gentle shifts that add up to life-changing results. Ready to take that first step? Book your free Crave Control call via the link in my bio. See you!